What was the wildest thing that ever happened at your school? In my sophomore year, we had this super chill science teacher named Mr. Carter. He was the kind of guy who made dry topics like chemistry actually fun. Always wore a lab coat, even when it wasn't necessary, and had this weird obsession with banana-flavored candy. But everyone loved him because he was just real. One random Tuesday during a chemistry lab, we were doing this experiment with baking soda and vinegar, literally the most harmless combo ever, when the fire alarm went off. At first, we thought it was a drill, but then the lights in the hallway flickered, and we heard a loud crash somewhere down the hall. Over the PA system, the principal's voice came through, but it was shaky, code blue. Everyone stay in your classrooms and follow lockdown protocol. We all froze. Mr. Carter's face went pale. He immediately shut the blinds, turned off the lights, and told us all to get down behind the lab tables. We could hear yelling from somewhere in the building, followed by loud, heavy footsteps echoing toward us. Then, silence. A few seconds later, we heard someone trying to force the door open. The knob rattled. Then we heard banging, like someone was trying to break it down. My heart was in my throat. Suddenly, the emergency window, yep, the one that barely opens, shattered, and a figure started climbing in. Everyone panicked. Some kids started crying. But Mr. Carter, without hesitating, grabbed this giant beaker full of some chemical mixture from earlier and hurled it at the guy's face. The intruder screamed and stumbled backward, slipping on the glass. Mr. Carter ran over, slammed the window shut, and pulled the emergency chain that locked it down. Turns out, the guy was a former student who got expelled years ago and came back looking for trouble. Mr. Carter's quick thinking probably saved all of us. The cops showed up minutes later and arrested the guy on the spot. After that, Mr. Carter became a legend at our school. People even started calling him the Beaker Boss. He pretended to hate it, but we all knew he secretly loved the nickname.